In this video, we're checking out MIDIGEN, a free and fast AI music generator that allows you to create one-of-a-kind, royalty-free MIDI melodies without needing any musical expertise. I've experimented with MIDIGEN myself and generated 3 distinct melodies to showcase its potential. The first two focus on piano and synth sounds, while the third one ventures into more experimental territory with random parameters. You can hear just how versatile this tool is. It's not just for one genre or style. Now, let me show you how it works. First, head over to the MIDIGEN website. No sign-up needed, folks. It's that easy. Now, here's where the fun begins. You get to play conductor and tell the AI exactly what kind of melody you want. Choose your musical scale, key, and how long you want your masterpiece to be. Want it upbeat? Crank up that tempo. Feeling a bit more chill? Slow it down. But wait, there's more. You can add rests, chords, and even arpeggios to give your melody that extra oomph. It's like having a whole orchestra at your fingertips. Once you've set everything up, hit that Generate MIDI button and watch the magic happen. In mere seconds, you'll have a unique melody ready to go. And the best part, it's all royalty-free. That's right, you own whatever you create. If you're feeling lucky, hit that dice button. MIDIGEN will surprise you with a completely random melody. It's like musical roulette, and sometimes that's where the real magic happens. And that's a wrap on today's AI tool. If you're enjoying this content and want more AI-powered tools at your fingertips, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We've got plenty more coming your way.